children. Welcome back to your VBS e-learning class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your lesson 3 of reader, the apple tree. Today onwards I am going to take your revision test. So children, I have prepared one test paper for you and I can tell you how you can complete the revision test. So let's begin with the revision. Good morning children. This is your revision test of English language. Today's revision. So mention classwork, today's date and revision test at the sheet and write down the first. Define the following with two examples. Means you have to give the definition of adjective and you have to give the two examples also. So definition I have told you in the class, that what do you mean by adjective? You have to write it into the and in your answers. Come to the next question. Supply suitable nouns to the following adjectives. Means a pretty, you have to mention here noun. A small dash, a red dash, a new dash. This is of 2 marks, means half marks each. And in this 1 marks of definition and 1 marks of examples. So it is of 2 marks. Come to the next. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. In this you have to underline the adjectives. Singham beat the cruel criminal in the narrow lane. You have to underline the adjectives. Obama will come to Asian countries on an official tour. In this sentence also you have to tell the adjective. That which one is the adjective. Adjective I have told you that it is describing the qualities of noun and pronoun. So you can underline the adjectives only. Next is Pooja didn't mind the insulting remarks of Promila. In this you have to mention the adjectives. Next, Anjana gave a powerful speech on a burning topic. In this you also have to mention adjective. You underline the adjective which is given in the question also. Next is question number 4. Supply suitable adjectives to the following nouns. Means at this time nouns are given, you have to mention the adjectives here. Dash country, dash friend, dash school, dash soldier, dash leader and dash cricketer. So you have to give the qualities here. You can fill the adjectives in the blanks. Come to the next. Write a composition about your house using appropriate adjectives. When I have described the chapter, I have told you this one also. I live in a dash house. Like all other house, it has dash walls. So you have to fill this also. Again I am repeating the question. That define the following with two examples. In this you have to give the definition of adjective as the answer and two examples also to describe it. Come to the next. Supply suitable nouns to the following adjectives. In this adjective is given, you have to supply the nouns. A pretty what? Dash. A small dash. A red dash. A new dash. Okay. Next is underline the adjectives. Following sentences are given, you have to underline the adjectives. If you know that what are the adjectives, you can underline it. Singham beat the cruel criminal in the narrow lane. In this you have to mention the qualities, describing qualities of noun. Obama will come to Asian countries on an official tour. Pooja didn't mind the insulting remarks of Promila. Anjana gave a powerful speech on a burning topic. You have to underline only the adjectives in these sentences. Come to the next one. Supply suitable adjectives to the following nouns. In this adjectives are given, you have to mention the noun, and in this nouns are given, you have to give the adjectives for that. Okay. So you can complete it proper. Mention here adjectives means qualities of this You have to mention it here. You have to fill the adjectives in this fill-ups. Come to the next. Write a composition about your house using appropriate adjectives. I live in a dash house. You have to give the describing quality of house. Like all other houses, it has dash walls. So complete this and give the answers in your class. Okay beta, complete this in a sheet if you want, and if you want it give you as a answers type form in the direct by mobile, you can send it like that also. Okay beta, thank you beta.